Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the section of digital fundamentals, as we are looking into logic function realizations with MSI circuits, previously we saw how to convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Now in this session we are going to see how to convert decimal number system into octal number system. We'll take one example and see how we are going to do it. It is very similar to constructing binary from decimal. So we'll just see 125.6875 of decimal will be how much in octal. So as you can remember of conversion, that in the previous videos we saw that while converting decimal to binary, what we did was we divided this into two sections. Here also we'll divide it into two sections. This will be section 1, this will be section 2. For first section we used to divide it by the radix. So here radix is 8, there radix was 2, so we were dividing it by 2. Here radix is 8, so we are dividing it by 8. And for the second part we were multiplying it with the radix. So previously the radix was 2, so we were multiplying also with the 2. Today the radix is 8, so we will be multiplying it with 8. Okay, so let's get started. So what we'll do is we'll first take the decimal part of it and divide it by 8. So now 8 15s are we get and the remainder is 5. So 8 15s is 120 and we get remainder as 5. Then 8 1s are 8, we get remainder as 7, and then 8 zeros are 0 and the remainder is 1. So here we got quotient is equals to 0, so we'll stop it over here. And as you all know that we'll be using bottom to top version of writing it. So 125 of decimal is equals to 571 of octal. 571 of octal. Now 0.6875 into 8, that is the radix, gives us 5.5000. From here we will take 5. The remaining 0.500 we'll keep it over here, and again we'll multiply it with 8 and we get 4.000. As we got 0 zeros over here in decimal, we'll stop the process over here, and this we are going to take bottom top to bottom. So 0.6875 of decimal is equals to 0.54 of octal. So together, combining both of them, we get the answer 125.6875 of decimal is equivalent to 571.54 of octal. So here we are taking top to bottom. I did a mistake over here. It will not be 571. We are taking bottom to top. Again, so this you have to remember. We are taking bottom to top. So 175. So 175.54 will be the answer. So this is convert decimal to octal. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Technostic for more such content. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.